Ulster. Come and explore this picturesque town with almost 2,000 years of history, lots of historic buildings and a peaceful atmosphere. Ulster was founded as a Roman fort Alcester as early as 47 AD. Over the following centuries, a bustling trade center with regular markets grew around this small, stone-walled fortification. Archaeological finds from the town's Roman period are on display in a small museum, which is part of the public library and free to enter. Even in the early Middle Ages, Anglo-Saxon Alcester was an important market town. In the 12th century, a significant Benedictine abbey was founded here. However, it was dissolved during the English Reformation, and today, virtually no trace of it remains. In today's Ulster, you'll find a rich blend of historic buildings, ranging from the Middle Ages and Tudor timber-framed houses to Victorian architecture. There are over 140 listed buildings in Ulster and its surroundings, perhaps the most significant being the historic St. Nicholas Church. The oldest part of the current structure dates back to the 14th century, though the first church stood here as early as 1286. The church has been rebuilt and renovated many times throughout its history, resulting in a mix of various styles. It is also the resting place of Sir Fulk Greville, grandfather of the famous poet, politician, and Chancellor of the Exchequer to King James I. The church is well known for its clock, which is unusually positioned on the corner of the tower so that it can be easily seen from the High Street. Before we take a stroll down High Street, let's peek into the alley behind the church where the old town hall stands. It was Sir Greville who provided the town with £300 for this construction. Originally, it was meant to be built entirely of stone, but the money ran out sooner than expected. As a result, the ground floor is stone, while the rest is timber-framed, and for some reason, it's now covered in plaster. Personally, I think it looked much better with the beams exposed. By the way, Ulster's High Street and its surrounding alleys are probably some of the most picturesque places I've visited recently. Perhaps it's because, unlike Stratford-upon-Avon, just 10 miles away, you won't find crowds of tourists or major global brands in the center of town. Instead, there are mostly small, independent shops run by the local community. You can simply feel the pleasant atmosphere of a small town where there is no rush. Ulster is definitely worth a visit for its peaceful atmosphere. And as a bonus, just a few miles away, you can visit the fascinating Coughton Court, which we've already shown you in one of our previous videos. And that's all for today. Please support the video by giving it a like, and if you want to join us on another one of our journeys through England, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Have a great time and see you next episode.